If you're dreaming of building a business in Vancouver but feeling overwhelmed by where to start, here's your strategic roadmap to success in Canada's most dynamic entrepreneurial hub. Vancouver's economy thrives across tech, film, tourism, and green energy sectors, creating diverse opportunities while cushioning against downturns. The city's cultural diversity is your competitive advantage, with 49% European, 41% Asian, and various other communities. Understanding these demographics enables targeted messaging that resonates. Before launching, master the essentials. Register with British Columbia government, obtain proper business licenses, understand provincial sales tax and goods and services tax obligations, and comply with employment laws if hiring. Industry-specific regulations vary. Food businesses need health permits. Tech companies require data protection compliance. Location matters beyond foot traffic. Zoning laws dictate where you can operate, and local bylaws affect everything from signage to environmental compliance. We help entrepreneurs navigate Vancouver's landscape and build brands that connect with this diverse market.